For amazing jewelry designs and seller info, subscribe to latest jewelry designs. Press the bell icon for more updates.
Hello friends, good afternoon. Welcome to latest jewelry designs. Today here we are going to see latest gold traditional necklace designs. The love affair between women and jewelry is not unknown and is not new. And there has been tremendous revolution in this area since time immemorial. Delicate, lovely necklaces have embellished women not just in diamonds and gemstone, but also in gold. When making a piece of gold ornament, there is a rigorous process involved, beginning from heating and melting the gold metal to casting, molding, and then sculpting amazing designs on them. Apart from diamonds, gemstones, even today, many brides love to wear traditional gold necklaces for their wedding. These are the long gold necklace designs for you. These designs never run out of style and are suitable for all ages of people and for any occasions. Most of the traditional gold necklace designs have taken inspirations from ancient temples, sculptures, traditions being followed, painting on walls of old caves, and at times from Mother Nature too. All of these traditional gold necklaces have matching pair of gold earrings or pendants. Even though you can find a match in gold earrings too and make complete traditional gold necklace sets. Some of these gold necklaces may have elaborate designs and to give it perfect finish might have been rhodium plated. All these designs priced above 50,000 to maximum 1.4 lakhs in 22 karat gold. It is worth an investment. These designs will look incomplete without a matching pair of earrings, which you can find here. Hope you guys like the designs. Please subscribe to our latest jewelry designs channel by hitting the bell icon. Thanks for watching guys. Bye bye. Please show your love through comments and likes.